Notes for the installation of light-burning magnesium oxide ball press. Before installing the light-fired magnesium oxide ball press, the pipeline should be laid in strict accordance with the electrical code, and the strong current and weak current signal lines should be isolated and worn to avoid interference. Power cables, communication cables and video cables should be properly connected during installation. In addition, additional attention should be paid to the following precautions. 1. Power supply. In order to ensure the normal operation of the light-burning magnesium oxide ball press, th. 3. Ground loop. Even if the equipment is effectively grounded, there are differences in the zero potential of different positions between the ball press and the central equipment, and power load is unbalanced, which will still cause the grounding potential difference. 4. Waterproof. Outdoor ball press installation must do waterproof treatment. For suspension installation, there is a gap between the ball press and the bracket. 5. Heat dissipation. The heat dissipation problem of light-burning magnesium oxide ball press must also be considered.